Right now, we are digitizing that automation and around MES in particular to help to make the manufacturing operation more efficient and effective.
It also allows us to understand our line leadership, are they approving when they should be approving? It's also really helped with our shift handovers. Understanding what happened on the shift before can really help the current shift tackle the problems that they may see. Utilizing the J5 forms, we can now get that data digital at the point of entry, whether that's from the MES system or typed in by the operator. So the problem with the paper form, we didn't know if they were using it right or wrong. If there was nothing on it, obviously they weren't using it, or the line was running perfectly. We had no idea. So now we are able to understand, are they using our MES system, and are they confirming the data? And that's one of the KPIs we're tracking now. At first they were hesitant because now we knew exactly what was going on in the line, and we had a big brother that was kind of watching and could tell the true story. But when they realize that now their overtime is reduced and they get to go home early because we're collecting all this data to improve the line's performance, they really started adopting it.